Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this episode, we're going to discuss the 5 best accessories to buy for mobile gaming in 2022. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me till the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. Mobile gaming and mobile gaming accessories are the next frontier as more and more gamers flock to mobile games. This is partially due to the release of a number of fantastic mobile games such as BGMI and PUBG Mobile. These games have high-resolution visuals, amazing sound effects, the best in-game mechanics, and other features. This experience can be enhanced even more if players use additional appropriate accessories while playing mobile games. Mobile gamers may be unaware that there are a variety of accessories that can assist them not only in providing the greatest in-game experience, but also in performing better in games like BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile, where sound is vital. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 mobile gaming accessories for 2022. Number 5. Skullcandy Indie. Earbuds are one of the most important attachments for mobile gaming, as good earbuds can help players hear in-game sounds with minimal lag to respond quickly, especially in games like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile. Skullcandy Indie is one of the best earbuds for mobile gaming since it has amazing sound quality and no latency. It's arguably the best at this price point with detachable stability and secure ear gels. It has an IP55 rating and can last for up to 16 hours of playtime with its charging case. The earbuds offer sweat, water, and dust resistance. Calls, volume, and track touch controls help the earbuds earn their place on this list. Number 4. Razer Kishi Mobile Game Controller. Mobile gaming controllers are also one of the best accessories as they help gamers play games with the highest accuracy even while traveling. Razer Kishi is designed to fit onto practically any Android phone with a center USB-C port. It also supports pass-through charging. Players won't have to charge it. It folds up onto a small travel-sized form and has no input lag. It's ideal for games like Clash of Clans and Clash Royale, which require quick reactions and pinpoint accuracy. Number 3. GameSir F2 Grip. The worst part about playing games on a phone for long periods of time is that most phones aren't built to be held in the landscape orientation for long durations of time. This universal phone grip device can give your palm something substantial to rest on when gaming. It also comes with an on-screen joystick adapter that works well with Battle Royale games like Call of Duty Mobile, BGMI, and PUBG Mobile. Number 2. Charmast Powerbank 10,000 mAh. One of the major problems with any gaming phone is that it has its limited battery life, which may not be enough to stream or play games for long hours. One of the best accessories to deal with this problem is a power bank. The Charmast Power Bank is a palm-sized power bank that has 10,000 mAh capacity to charge your phone while also being friendly to your pocket. It can be charged via USB-C input-output cable, micro USB input, or quick charge 3.0 USB-A output. Hence, gamers should purchase a power bank to stream games like Call of Duty Mobile and Clash Royale for long hours without worrying about battery. Number 1. Lemikol Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. Controller grips are useful for keeping your phone close, but sometimes they can be cumbersome. Sometimes it's easier on the eyes to prop up your phone and keep your controller at a safe distance. This makes an adjustable stand one of the greatest mobile gaming accessories to keep your phone tilted at the ideal angle. Lemikol offers many phone stands to players, however the foldable stand is favored due to its portability. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.